If you are experiencing repeated payment declines with your Capital One account, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your account balance. Ensure that you have sufficient funds or credit available in your account. A low balance or exceeding your credit limit can lead to payment declines. Step 2. Verify payment information. Double-check the payment details you are entering, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Any incorrect information can cause the transaction to be declined. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Be aware of any transaction limit set by Capital One. If you are trying to make a large purchase, it may exceed your daily spending limit, resulting in a decline. Step 4. Contact customer service. If the issue persists, reach out to Capital One customer service. They can provide insights into why your payments are being declined and help you resolve any account issues. Step 5. Monitor for fraud alerts. Check your account for any fraud alerts or security holds. If Capital One suspects fraudulent activity, they may decline transactions to protect your account. Follow the instructions provided to lift any holds. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of repeated payment declines. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from Capital One or reviewing your account settings.